Okay, we are asked for this curve to find a rectangular equation. So this is being given in parametric form, and we want to convert to rectangular. And hold on a second, I forgot to bring up something to write on. Okay, so let's start here by writing down our two parametric equations. And this is infinity to infinity, so I'm not too worried. Oh, let me actually write down the right equation. So I want to, now at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve x for t. It's usually easier to solve that way because obviously you want your finished rectangular coordinate in terms of y because that's the way we write equations. So since it's just easier to solve x, so then I can plug it straight in and I don't have to do any. This would actually work in reverse, and you can see here this is y equals. This would work in reverse. It was just then you'd have to then solve the equation you get for y. So y do the extra step. So here, I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and then I'm going to square. So t equals the square root of x divided by 4. I'm going to then take this answer, plug it in for t, in this. So I have y equals 5 times the square root of x divided by 4 to the 5th. Now, this doesn't actually expect you to sort this out completely. Just remember this is to the 1/2, so this is x divided by 4 to the 5/2. You could sort that out further if you wanted, but my math lab doesn't expect you to. And actually, when I tried to do it, because I thought it looked kind of gross, I tried to sort it out, it yelled at me. So just leave it like that. If for some reason it likes it that way. Okay, so now we just go back in, and this is our equation. And I've written it down, so hopefully I won't forget what it is. So I have x divided by 4. Nope, that's not what I want. I want 2 to the 5 divided by 4. Okay, nope. And again, I got too many 2's in there. This is why I write down the problem next to me. There we go. So really, this is just a matter of substitution. You have two equations. Solve one of them for t, plug that into the other, solve for y. And if you solve the x, the other one should be solved for y, and you don't have to do any solving for y at the end. But as I said, this would work in reverse if for whatever reason you decided that was easier.